Hello guys, in the last tutorial we have already seen number sorting, and in this tutorial we will see string sorting. So this string sorting concept is almost same as number sorting. So this is the last tutorial program. We use it for sorting the number in ascending and descending order. So this sign is important. If I change this sign like this, it will be in ascending order, and the reverse is for descending order. So I just change the heading here because the logic is almost same. So here I am writing string sorting, and here this is what the empty list, and user will enter the size. Suppose the size is 4, and the next for loop, that is starting with 0 to the size up to the, here the size is 4, so it will be for total 4 element. So by using this value variable, user will enter the value, but as it is a string program, in place of %d you have to write %s, and it will help to enter the all string values. And by using a dot append value, all the values will be appended in the list. Then here two for loop are there. By using first for loop, it start the values from 0th position, then it will be 1 2 3 like that. J start with the next element, that is I plus 1, means here the first element compare with the second. So here the in I loop, the position of first element means the first element compare with the second, then first compare with the third, first compare with the fourth one, like that it will work. And by using this logic, it means a of I greater than a of j, means if the first element is greater, then we have to interchange by using temp variable, and finally we will display the list. So logic is almost same, but suppose you didn't watch my previous tutorial. If you are new in this video, then you can understand. So for your understanding, I just explain in short. So we check the output here. So here you enter the size. Suppose the size is, I am taking 3. First is Suraj, second Raj, third one Aman. You should not give the spacing, and it is coming in ascending order. If you change the sign, it will go in descending order. So it is now in descending order. So in this way it is working out. So I hope, dear student, you understood the logic of sorting string. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.